Perhaps you should try the search tool to find what you need. Okay, save. Oopsie. Keep on pressing the wrong button. Okay, save that. Reload page. Okay, it looks like the full page doesn't show unless I change the settings of the page. So I'm just going to go in and change the permalinks into a format that would show up, so you can see what it looks like. Is that right? Yeah. Save changes. Okay, that's better. So now, if I click into the about page that is not styled yet will show up. However, if I type in like something like that, then this will generate the full page, and it's been styled semi-reasonably. It now says error 404, page does not exist. And we'll consider this 404 page to be completed. And now the next one we need to do is the actual physically each page. So for example, if we click on about, this kind of looks unfinished. That's because we are missing the tags, the divs for the container and the main. So go back into the page. This is page.php. We are changing this into the practice theme. Again, lots of copying and pasting. Grab that, paste that, go in the bottom, grab the same section, go in and replace this thing, save it. And now you see that the about page is fixed. Okay, so the content. Okay, so now the next thing we need to style is the singles page. Singles.php refers to a single posting. So one of these guys. Now this and the image.php are special in that these pages allows people or visitors to have comments. So there's comment sections here, which you can leave comments. And so that area actually needs special styling. So let's cover that. So if we go into the singles.php page, we need to go in and change the name of this. This is now called practice theme. And then the same thing, grabbing those two, adding it in here, grabbing the bottom ones, pasting them in there. Save it. Load. Okay, so now we've gotten the top and the bottom fixed up, but you can see that there's a lot of these little dash error bars that is not supposed to be there, and also the formatting here is incorrect. So let's just go in and fix it. So what this should look like is something like this, right? So going back to our code here, we have again the loop, and then there's a previous post and next post link. We can just get rid of that. And then this is the H2, we can leave it. Now this section needs to be changed just like what we have in our other section. So you can just go ahead and grab everything from this to there, copy it. So go in here and replace this section. Save it, and you'll notice that it now generates this, except that we don't want an excerpt within full page of our actual content page, so we need to change this back instead of excerpt to content. Save it, and then go back. There we go, that's better. Now it's displaying the full content here. And however, there are some things that are kind of redundant here. There's no point in having a read more link when it just points to the same page. And there's also no point in having a comments link because the comments is right underneath. And obviously we have no need for this thing, so we can remove that. But we can leave the date in there. And we should probably have a link to edit this entry, this post. So if we go into our PHP file, see this information, this post was posted by blah blah blah, we can just remove that. There we go, all that is gone. Save it. That's gone, but this and that still needs to be fixed. So going in, we need to take out this information and take out the comments, and leaving us with just the time. Save it. Now we just have the time here, but we also need probably an edit link would be nice. So we could go in and add that back. A divider here, and then the PHP edit post link. Let's just call this edit this, and then we want to stick it inside a span tag. The class let's say edit, and then we need to put closing tags. Oops, there we go. Closing tag, we need to close the span tag to wrap around the other side of it, and then close this function and close the PHP tag, and then save it. So let's go back and check, and we have this edit this link. This is a good edit. Okay, so now notice that in this case, the image is not showing up as compared to this image here. This is because we have we need to change the CSS for this particular way we set up this post. So if we go into our styles.css file, search for something known as bot post dash footer a.edit. This now needs to be just edit and then change it to a, like that. Save it. Going back, this should show up. Oops, wrong one. This should show up. That's better.